Hey, what's going on, everyone? Here I got a 2019 Toyota Highlander. We installed an integrated unit to add Apple Carplay Android Auto to the factory screen. Here's your factory screen here. Show you how to activate the CarPlay mode. You go into aux, brings up your sub menus here, and then down below you have the USB port with your wire. You plug up your iPhone. And then on the screen activates the CarPlay. Tap the item, and then you have Apple CarPlay. You have your menus here. You have Waze, you have Apple Maps, Google Maps if you have. And if you want to go back to factory, hit factory, and then you go back to your radio. And there you have it. Integrated Apple CarPlay Android Auto to 2019 Toyota Highlander.